How to make an appointment in English. There are 1,000 reasons why you might want to make an appointment in English, especially when you are studying abroad. But how do you know what vocabulary to use? Whether you need to see a hairdresser, have a job interview, or arrange a house viewing, I'm here to help. Customs for making an appointment differ between countries. Here are our most useful tips for making an appointment in person, over the phone, and by email in English. Making an appointment in person or on the phone. Start by stating why you have called or visited. Hello, I'm calling to book an appointment with a hairdresser, please. Hello, I'd like to reserve a table for this evening. Hello, I'm interested in viewing a house I have seen advertised online. The other person will usually ask you for details such as your name, contact information, and offer you a time and date. Remember, they might ask you to spell your name, so be sure to practice your alphabet beforehand. Here are some phrases you might hear. What's your name? Can I have your contact number email address? Or, what's your contact number email address? Can you come in Sunday at 8 p.m.? Or, what date and time are you looking for? Here are some helpful phrases for your response. I'm sorry, I'm not available then. Do you have any availability on Wednesday? I am only available during the afternoon during the morning. Other questions you may be asked. If you're booking a treatment you may hear, what would you like to have done? If you're making a dinner reservation you may hear, where would you like to sit? And this one. Do you know where we are? This means, do you know our location? Making an appointment by email. By email, you should start by asking if they are still taking appointments or reservations. Then write down all the information mentioned before. For example, hello. I was wondering if you have any appointments available this week. If so, I would like to make an appointment on Thursday or Friday after 4 p.m. My name is Rose, and my phone number is 905311. Thank you, Rose. Canceling an appointment. If your plans change and you can no longer attend your appointment, you should let the business know. If you feel comfortable, then tell them why. If not, you can say, due to unforeseen circumstances, I can no longer make my appointment. Be sure to apologize and follow the steps to reschedule. Making appointments can seem daunting, especially over the phone. It just takes practice. The more you do it, the more confidence you will have to do it again.